think by May and June, we're like, okay, we're starting to see more early pregnancies. We're going to have a baby boom next year.
Yeah.
What appears to be the beginning of a baby boom is happening right now at least one local hospital. When shutdowns began across the country back in March, doctors suspected a potential quarantine baby boom might materialize 9 months later. As WRTV's Stephanie Wade shows us, it appears it is, and explains how these couples are experiencing pregnancy like no one in recent history before them.
With the new year came New Year babies. A lot of babies, actually, at least at Community Hospital North.
Baby boom, everyone's having a baby.
So far this year, deliveries have increased 30% compared to last January.
So we're expecting 30% more people to have a baby this year than they did last year at our hospital. And then by March, it's 70% more.
OBGYN Dr. Julia Kearney crediting this increase completely on quarantine.
I saw it in my friends first, and then we've seen it at the practice too, and you're just like, yep, it's the year. People were like, if not now, when?
Who would have thought? Who would have thought?
Born on January 7th.
We are holding Quinn Patrick Veeder.
Josh and Taylor Veeder didn't let the pandemic stop them from growing their little family.
I mean, we continue to try. You know, having a baby has been something that's pretty important to us, and we knew that we didn't really want to delay it.
Though Taylor's pregnancy was a little different, they didn't get to have a baby shower.
But thankfully, we had great, awesome family and friends who threw us some virtual showers and, just dropping stuff off at our porch, sending us stuff. I mean, we had packages arriving every day.
I just think it allowed us to maybe grow a little bit closer during this.
Dr. Kearney says people were initially delaying getting pregnant in March, right when the pandemic hit, over fears of the coronavirus, leading to a decrease in deliveries in November and December. But once it became clear the pandemic wasn't ending anytime soon.
I think other people who were working from home sort of realized it's not the worst time to have a newborn baby at home. They were thinking, oh, we're going to travel before we have kids. That wasn't happening.
She expects to see a baby boom nationally after speaking with colleagues in other states, as long as people are quarantined at home.
It's got to go on. And I think also it's kind of a silver lining. It's the only thing that we get in this pandemic is time with your immediate families.
Though Josh and Taylor's 9-month journey was perhaps lonelier than those before them, it was special and served as a glimmer of light in a time of such darkness.
This whole time, this whole pandemic has been, such a burden on the whole country, and it's been one of the darkest times in our country's history, probably. And yeah, here we are. This is, I hate to say it, but it's been the best time of our entire lives.
Stephanie Wade.
We wouldn't change it for the world.
WRTV.
And congratulations to them. The community health doctor expects this baby boom to happen nationally, as Stephanie reported. She says that she's spoken with colleagues in other states experiencing similar increases, and for them, this just means adjusting staffing ratios to make sure they have the people they need, opening their schedules to be available for patients, and evaluating expectations month to month.